Parang gusto ko lang makita yung bago, yung connected dito sa bagong Mikey na nafe-feel ko. And Tito Jing really did
Moniz.
well.
Moniz.
Yes, Tito Jing
Wow,
Moniz
hi,
really
Jing.
did
Oo.
well.
Ano yan? Pag sinasabi mong bago, is this in the context of what? Beginning a new life? After, the relationship? Ito'y bago? Where are you coming from pag sinasabi mo yun?
Parang bagong version of me. Like, I can feel myself changing from within. So,
Oo.
ang dami din, even the project, yung Saving Cherry, ang daming nagbago sa isip ko din.
Tama.
Sa beliefs ko. So, gusto ko lang makita din yun sa salamin, I guess.
Right. Oh, ito'y bagong era ng iyong buhay.
Yes.
In effect, no? So, gaano kabago ang bago?
Bagong era.
Oo.
Tito,
So, you can even talk about your fitness journey.
well, yeah, yan, sobra yung mornings. I realized how mornings are so important. As in,
Okay. Owning your morning,
yes,
sabi mo nga.
Oo po. Parang Tito, alam mo yung feeling pag bagong gising ka, wala ka pa sa sarili mo. Tapos, yung habit natin, kunin agad yung cellphone. Tapos, nadadala na agad tayo ng buhay, ng scrolling, ng things around us. Na, if you start your day like that, you're gonna spend the whole day reacting to everything na lang.
Pero ang gandang point na yun, ha? At depende sa algorithm mo. Kung ano ang nakita mong
Yes.
una,
Oo.
hindi pwedeng hindi ka maapektuhan.
Exactly.
Okay. So,
So-
what are you doing now? I mean, owning your morning means,
I started with getting a clock for my room para hindi ako tumingin ng time sa cellphone ko. Para ang unang titignan ko yung clock para
Okay.
mapigilan kong tumingin sa cellphone. Para makuha ko muna, ma-feel ko muna na I am myself and I get to decide what to react to. Parang for the
okay.
rest of the day. I'm more in control. Parang mas may decision making bago
kasi napakatagal na
mag-react.
panahon, nag-uumpisa ang araw mo, na-react ng react ka
Yes.
kung ano ang nababasa mo sa cellphone.
Nafe-feel ko ganun yung parang masyado na akong, wala na ako, yung sarili ko, nagre-react na lang sa lahat. And yeah, I wanted to change that.
Sinabayan mo yan sa what? Did you diet? Did you
Nag-member ako sa gym, nag-swimming ako more. I looked for a gym na may swimming pool para I can turn off the sound. Because when I swim, walang signal, wala kang cellphone, di
Okay.
mo mahawakan. That's parang nag-off din yung signal sa utak ko. I stop thinking. I only breathe.
Pero lahat ng ito deliberate, no? Lahat ito conscious.
Intentional.
Intentional.
Yes.
Oo. Kailan
Yeah.
ginagawa ko to because I want to be a better person.
Yes,
Ganda
exactly.
naman.
Ang hirap, constant work, pero you have to want it.
Correct.
I guess.
Oo. At saka you're coming from somewhere that somehow pushed you to want to become better. May nagpapatibok ba ng iyong puso?
Ang ganda ng pasok ni Tito Boy lagi.
Kasi dapat holistic yan, di
Yeah,
ba?
meron, madami.
Okay.
Hindi ko ibig sabihin maraming lalaki.
I get it.
Pero madami. Like projects, yung mga animals na nakita ko, life in general. I'm really excited to see what the next chapters of my life has in store for
Really
me.
exciting. Pero ang ibig kong sabihin, marami, South Africa, Saving Cherry, but meron bang mga binata na nagpaparamdam, umaali-aligid?
Tito, parang ayoko na ng binata. Parang ayoko
Sandali,
na.
pag-usapan natin yan.
Nako po.
Ano ang gusto mo, Mikey?
Ito lang, I think one thing I'm sure of now, I came from, very public naman yung relationship.
Oo.
Ang gusto ko ngayon yung sure, yung sigurado na sa gusto niya. Kung
Okay.
sino man siya ngayon, kung sino man out there, like, I think that's what I'm looking for, someone who's sure. Yun lang.
Kaya mo nang makita si Paul na may girlfriend?
Oo naman, gusto ko nga siyang maging happy. Gusto
Okay.
ko.
Bakit?
Kasi, nag-usap naman kami na yung last usap namin, gusto ko na pag-usapan namin na dalhin namin yung 4 years namin sa futures namin together ng good ba yung memory, wag bad. So, yung lessons from each other, apply namin sa next. Like, ganun yung usapan
Again,
namin.
that's intentional. Mamimili ka
Intentional,
doon
oo.
sa mga karanasan. I mean,
Oo.
huwag tayo magwalo doon sa mga masakit
Bad,
at
oo.
nagpaiyak sa atin.
It's always a choice, just
But
like
yeah.
love.
But it takes a lot of maturity to be able to do that.
Hirap.
Di ba?
Ayoko na maging mature dito.
Okay, dalawa ng ayaw mo. Ayaw mo na ng binata, ayaw mo ng
Ayaw ko na.
maturity. Pangalawa yan. Let's talk about
Yun ang
saving.
gusto ko maging baby. Parang
Gusto
gano'n.
mo maging
Gusto ko
baby.
naman maging baby.
Yung gusto mo may tumawag sa'yo ng baby.
Okay lang kahit di tawag. Basta yung treatment, baby ako.
Okay,
Gano'n.
sige. Mangyayari yan. Parati kong sinasabi, say it and it happens.
Sana.
Saving Cherry. This is
Yes.
interesting. Dahil I had a conversation with Barbie and it's a story about friendship.
Yes.
Pero your role is very special. Kasi sa grupo, ikaw ang married. Tama ba?
At
You have
may
to correct
anak.
it. At may anak, pero ikaw, apparently, ang may pinakawalang alam sa maraming bagay.
Tama, Tito. Totoo yan.
Okay. Tell us more.
Which is, feeling ko nangyayari naman talaga sa totoong buhay. Kasi yung si Beth, my character,
Okay.
is the first to get married and to have a baby in the barkada. So itong si Cherry, siya yung next na ikakasal, parang ako yung mas may alam sa marriage. Ako yung mas may alam, iba yung POV ko pagdating sa advice. And the movie Saving Cherry, if to keep it short, I think is about friendship. And how friendship plays a role in overcoming pain.
Oo. Naintindihan ko because ang
Betrayal,
buod
ganyan.
po ng Saving Cherry ay Barbie plays a woman who got
cheated
married.
on.
Who got
Yeah.
married, halimbawa, tonight.
Yes.
The next evening, Same evening? Oh my God, right after the wedding. Nahuli niya
Spoil
ang
na.
kanyang asawa, tabi-tabi po sa mga bata, there's no other way of saying this, sa kama na may kasamang iba.
Tito, di ka sure kung sa kama ginawa.
Talaga? Ayun, panuorin ho
Abangan
natin.
nyo.
Okay, I'm very traditional.
I wish I could say that.
So, nahuli.
Yes.
Oo, doon nag-umpisa yung kaya kayo
Yung buong movie doon.
nagkaroon ng
So,
trip, etc.
Siyempre, something traumatizing like that, ang hirap i-process niyan, betrayal. So, paano mag-a-advise, paano yung process and yung thinking at yung epekto ng mga different kinds of advice. And I would say, it's one of the reasons why I said yes to the role too.
Okay.
Kasi si Beth, yung kung anong pinaniniwalaan na is kind of the opposite to Mikey. So,
Okay. So, maganda.
Natuto ko sa kanya, Tito.
It also tackles celibacy before marriage.
Yes.
What is your take there?
What's my take there, Tito?
Again,
Next question, please.
Dali, iklaklaro ko lang, kasi nung binabasa ko yung buod nga ng kwento, talagang sinave ni Cherry yung kanyang virginity. Ang term niya ay regalo niya sa kanyang mapapangasawa. Uulitin ko yung tanong. Naniniwala ka ba doon?
Of course. I mean, it takes a lot of strength. Siyempre, a lot. Like, self-control, na hindi mahulog sa temptation, and bilib ako sa mga ganun. Like,
Okay.
Siyempre, I respect that fully. And tingin ko that's so pure and it's such a good gift to give to your husband.
Kaya mong maging celibate bago ka magpakasal? Ang kasagutan sa pagbabalik po ng Fast Talk with Boy Abunda.